Hey there, it's your balloon bestie Karen Sawyer, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make this basic balloon hat. All right, let's get this party popping. So you're going to take your 260 of the desired color. You're going to inflate it fully, okay? You're going to just burp it just a little bit, okay? Tie it off. You're going to create a 1-inch bubble using 2 of your fingers, pinch and twist. Always twist towards yourself. If you twist away from yourself, that's fine. Just remember, that's the direction you went in, so that you continue that throughout any of these designs that you create, so that you're not untwisting, okay? So then you're gonna measure the child's head or the adult's head, whoever it is. If you're gonna be using this for an adult, I would recommend that you stretch your balloon, okay, to make it a little bit longer, all right? So again, use your 2 fingers to create your 1-inch bubble. You're gonna measure the person's head, okay? And then you're going to pinch and twist, okay? And that's pretty much it. If you're enjoying this tutorial, hit that like button. It does help my channel out a ton, and it is a super small free way to show your support. Thank you, and let's get back to the tutorial. Pretty much it. Now, if you want to clean this up and get rid of this nozzle at the bottom, at the back of that 1-inch bubble, you can pull that and you create what we call a pinch twist. So you hold that and you twist, and then that will clean it up and get rid of the nozzle, okay? And there you have it, your basic balloon hat. All right. Thanks for watching. Happy twisting, y'all.